In estimate mode, select the assemblies icon from the item database, then drag and drop asphalt roofing where applicable on the roof plan. Select Yes to answer using itel, and make all other applicable selections. Select Next, then Generate. Select the desired line items, then Apply. Depending on the shingle items selected in the assembly, you may see additional options. Make any needed selections, then submit to itel. Select Apply Prices, then Yes. Now, when you select itel from Claim Navigation, you'll see the itel shingle line item and the applied ASP price. In the item database, select Roofing, then Shingles. Select the appropriate itel line item. Then drag and drop it to the roof plan. Make all applicable selections. Then select Submit to itel. Select Apply Prices, then Yes. Again, you can see the itel shingle line item and the applied ASP price. When you select the assignment in My Claims, the itel report will automatically sync and the claim will open. Select Documents, then the download icon on the report. Once downloaded, select the report, then Open. You can now view, save, email, or print the itel Asphalt Shingle pricing report as needed.